Hey all, this is Bijee, back again with another video helping you to learn the basics of drawing and coloring. In today's video, I will help you to learn how to draw an English ivy plant and color it using watercolor paints. So let's first get started with the drawing. It has this main vein. Draw a small curve at the top and then like a small hill on both the sides. It has a sharp V shape at the bottom. Now these 2 points are important. Let me show you why. If you draw a smooth curve, then this becomes like a money plant leaf or pothos, which is also called as devil's ivy. And this is an English ivy plant. Let's draw one more time. Now we also have shape something like this. Let's draw a few more in different direction. When you start drawing, draw very light. I'm sorry if the drawing is not very clear. You can get this drawing from the link given in the description below, or you can create your own composition. Hold your pencil a little from the back so that you don't apply heavy pressure at the tip of the pencil. The plant is here in front of me, but still I'm creating my own composition. It's always great to create something new, experiment with your own work, learn from your mistakes, and create even more better drawings. Now let's start drawing leaves in all different directions. Try to add overlapping leaves to make it look more realistic. If you have understood how to draw the leaves, then this part should be easy for you. You can also check my previous video where I explain how to draw and paint pothos or money plant. The link will appear on the top right corner and also it will be given in the description below. So this is the final drawing. You can get this drawing from the link given in the description below. Erase the dark lines and lighten it before you start with the painting. I'm using my round synthetic brush, watercolor paints and watercolor paper. Start painting very light. I know you are not able to see anything, but I will slowly add layers and build the desired color value. For leaves, I am giving pale yellow by using lemon yellow and thinning it by adding lots of water. I use sap green for the stem and the leaves. Leaves are not completely green, they have pale yellow color along with the sap green. Keep adding the layers to make it dark. In watercolor painting, you have to remember is that the color is dark or bright when it's wet, and it gets dull or lighter when it's dry. So you will have to wait and see if you have achieved the desired color. The intention of taking this painting is to make you realize that you don't have to wait to get great reference pictures to start with the drawing. Do practice with whatever you see around. If you are new around here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. The interesting part of this ivy plant is that it has light magenta color on its small stem by which it is attached to the main stem. Finally, I add lemon yellow to the remaining part of the leaves so that it pops out. I hope this session was interesting and it helped you in some or the other way. Thanks for watching till the end. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.